Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube video. Today it's going to be an unboxing video. My good buddy JR sent me a huge lot of knives, and this package has got some weight to it. It's just, those who've been on my YouTube channel know that JR and I have been good friends for a long time. He has sent me huge lots in the past. In exchange, I do some knives for him, send those back, I get to keep the rest. Now, he's vaguely told me somewhat of what is in here that he wants back. So, go ahead and set this down. And since only 2 knives got votes in the last video, I picked one. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Yeah, he wasn't kidding. He definitely taped it good. Okay. Let's get them all out slowly. Wow, this thing is pretty sharp for a Chinese knockoff. That's surprising. This thing's actually pretty darn sharp. Okay, let's get all those out. There. That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay, yeah. This is the envelope he was telling me about. I think these are the ones he wants me to send back. Because he said he put them in a big white envelope, so these are the ones he wants me to send back. I'll get into those first, but let me get the rest of these out of the box. Boy. Yeah, that's a lot of knives. Okay. Let's piece them all together. I guess first things first, I'll get out the ones that he wants me to send back. I know this one he was telling me about. Yeah, I'll definitely see what I can do on that one. Looks like it just needs a simple set of handles. That ain't a problem. Next is this old ulster. Yeah, he wasn't kidding. That definitely needs some cleaning. Wait a minute. It says Master Cutlery. War. Master Cutlery Word, I mean. Never heard of that brand. But yeah, it looks like it definitely needs to be worked on, because this thing definitely has seen better days. But it'll clean up nice. Okay, next one. Classic little Skinner design. In a Boker sheath. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, that'll definitely clean up nice. Alright. Next one is this one wrapped in a bag. Okay, I think this is another one he was telling me about. Yeah, this is another one he was telling me about that looks like a Western, where it's got an unusual handle. It just needs new leather rings put on it. That's not a problem. Or if I recall, he said he sent a couple pieces of stag to put on this. Not bad. Okay. Next is this one. Oy. Yeah, that thing's definitely going to need some cleaning. Definitely still got a nice handle on it, though. Nice. Look forward to working on that one. Next is this one. I remember this one. I worked on this one for him a while back. And I made the handle a little bit too thick, so he wants me to slim this handle down just a little bit, which isn't a problem. I'll happily do that. Next, he sent a couple of other K-bar blades. Yeah, this is an original USMC one. Yeah, not in the best shape, but it'll definitely clean up well. Okay. Let's put those together. Here's another one. This one's definitely going to need... Oh, this is a Camillus one. Yeah, that'll definitely clean up nice. Sucks it's pitted very bad, but I'll do my best to clean it up. Alright. Alright, that's all the ones he wants me to work on. Next I'll show is the ones that he gave to me. Okay, that aside. Aha! I remember him telling me about this one. Ah, nice. A classic 120 in the original sheath. Nice. That will definitely go good in my collection. I recall there's supposed to be 2 of these. If he and I had talked about it, I think it's this one right here. No, that's not it. Yeah, I think it's this one right here. You definitely wrapped this one good. Trying to be careful not to cut on the knife. This thing's definitely wrapped up good. I'm trying to be careful. I gotta hand it, this Chinese knife's not terribly sharp, but it's not good either. There we go. Yeah, you wrapped them good, JR, that's for sure. Okay, this isn't the other 119. If I recall, there's supposed to be another one. Nope, that's not it. Oh, it's this one. Oh, it comes in an original pistol holster. Ah, yes, this is the one I've been waiting on. Those who may remember, this is one of my favorite knives from my collection. JR found this online, and it has got a busted up handle. And what he wants me to do is, me and him first talked about this, is he's wanted me to take this handle off and put a stag handle on it. And I'm happily going to do that, because I do know how to take these apart without damaging them. And it'll definitely clean up nice. The blade on this one's definitely in good shape. Minor rust, but nothing that can't be handled. Beautiful. I look forward to working on that one. And that was one of the first deals we talked about. He gave me this 119 in exchange for working on this one for him. I'll get that one done. Thank you very much, JR. That one back in the pistol holster. Get rid of these bags. Make sure none of them have stuff in them. Let's get all this stuff unboxed first. Come on, yeah. Aha! These are the 2 pieces of stag he was telling me about that he sent. I'll definitely try to incorporate these into one of your knives, my friend. Nice. He sent a bayonet scabbard. I could definitely use those. And he sent me a couple of beautiful dagger blades. I cannot wait to work on those. Jeez, he wasn't kidding. It's a huge lot. There. Alrighty. Next is this leather stacked handle. Get the thing off of it. Got it. Nice. Love the classic design. Sucks I can't see a brand, but it definitely looks like an old military knife. I definitely look forward to working on that one. He sent me another bayonet scabbard. Make sure there isn't another one. Yeah, that's an M1 Garand bayonet scabbard. I definitely could use that. And he sent me a couple of blades. There's one. There's two. There. The metal-handled bayonet he was telling me about. Now that I see it, I recognize what it is. Where'd that knife go? No, there it is. Yeah, I think it's either an M8 or an M7. I don't quite remember the model number. But that's got an aluminum handle, all right. That is weird looking. I'll definitely have to do some homework on this. I've never seen one of these with an aluminum handle. I'll definitely do some homework on that one. And next is this other fixed blade in a Remington case. My father's going to be jealous. That one out of there. No brand, but definitely a old knife. I'll definitely keep it, because I do like these aluminum handles. And I like that he sent it in a Remington case, considering I live not too far from a Remington plant. Okay, now we're getting into the leather cases. Get them. There's a ton of them, that's for sure. Yeah, he wasn't kidding when he said he would send me a whole bunch of pocket knives. Okay, first is the two old-timer cases. I definitely need those because I got a couple of LB7s that need leather cases. I'll rehydrate these, restain these, and put them in my collection. Let's get the cheapies out of the way. No brand, China. Get all the cheapies out of the way. One. Oh, there's another piece of stag. Again, I'll try to incorporate that into one of the handles. But y'all give JR a lot of love because he's a good friend of mine. He's always come through for me. Ooh. That one's got a custom gun handle. I like that one. That one's going in my personal collection. Here's a couple of cheap, I don't know exactly what these are called. Just decorative knives. Next, let's get rid of the other cheapies. That I recognize right off the bat. Here's all the cheap generic lockbacks, all made in Pakistan. I'll do something with them. I might just give them out to friends and family. Okay. Ooh, that's a large one. Can't really make out the brand, but it says 440 Japan. I'm definitely keeping that one. I love the classic coffin handle. That's going straight in my collection. Okay, next is this one. That's a Japanese knife. That's not bad. Here's an old crude-looking leather case. See what this is. Oh, nice little fixed blade. Yeah, I'll definitely keep that. A little neck knife. Gonna give it a better sheath, though. Next, here's a couple ones that are brand new in boxes. Folding knife, Pakistan. Generic as it gets. And then this one is a stainless steel knife. It's just called a large hunting knife. Oh, get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Ooh, I love the handle on that one. American Eagle. Let her fly. That's nice. Okay, next is a cross cutlery knife. Just a little cheapo. I might give that one to my good buddy Edward. Next, a couple of large Chinese knives. Let me get the rest of them out. Here's all the cheap little ones. And here's all the big ones. This one doesn't have a brand, but it actually feels pretty decent. I have to look up this one, see if I can find anything on it, because this one feels pretty decent. Definitely don't feel like a China knife. And there's no brand on it. I'll definitely keep that one, though, because I do like that one. Winchester. Classic. I know it's China. This one I'll probably give to my dad, because he collects these all the time. Okay, getting down to the nitty-gritty. Pocket knife, stainless steel blade, just a generic in the box. Okay. Cub Scout knife, or technically an Eagle Scout, made by Imperial. Nice, that's going to go straight in my collection. You don't see these very often. Next, a couple of camp knives. This one is a Camillus, a Camillus Boy Scout knife, or a Cub Scout. That will definitely clean up nice, and it's actually in good shape. All the blades are intact. And this one is another Imperial. Sadly, one of the blades is broken. I'll see if I can repair it. If not, it'll be stripped for parts. Nice. Okay. Imperial. Getting all the Imperials first. Imperial. That's an Imperial. That's an Imperial. It's not. Okay, I think I got all the Imperials. So here's a baby jackknife. Classic. That'll definitely clean up nice. Now, I'm not saying all these I'm going to keep, but once I get down to cleaning them up, I'll see which ones I'm keeping, which ones I'm selling. Those bayonets, you darn sure I'm keeping. Another little jackknife. Wow, another even better shaped jackknife. That one I'll probably end up keeping. It's almost brand new. Another yellow handle jackknife. Again, by Imperial. Again, these are great quality knives. They're great for somebody's starter collection. Ooh, that one's in really good shape. That one I might keep as well. And this one's in a not very good shape. This one might just get stripped for parts. Another little jack. Not in bad shape. It'll definitely clean up nice. Set these down. Get a couple more of the small ones. No, little baby, a baby Imperial Jack. That one's in good shape. I think I'll probably end up keeping that one. Let's see what this one is. This is another Imperial. Nice. That'll definitely clean up well. Another nice little Imperial. Just a generic. It says Snap-on. Huh. Never seen one of these with that brand on it. A generic pedicure tool. But the fact that it says Snap-on, I might end up keeping it. I don't know. Next, another little jack. This one is made by, just says USA, so it's probably an Ideal. Another No Name USA, just a classic little pen knife. This one looks like a Colonial. Yeah, it's a Sharps USA. Not a bad company. Ooh, this one's in not very good shape. Yeah, it's got a key on it. Huh. A key with the letter C stamped on it. That one I might just keep for that reason. Well, probably not. The springs are in horrible condition. I might try to restore it and see if I can put new springs in it, because I like the fact that it's got a key. There's those. Okay, next get a couple more. A large jackknife. I can't make out the brand, it's too rusted, but I'll see if I can lift a brand off of it and do an update on it. Always been a fan of these large jacks. Okay. Classic little Hammer brand camp knife. And it's complete. That'll definitely clean up well. Like it's got a $10 sticker on the back of it. And it's got the bail on it, which is pretty good. Most of the time the bails are always gone. Okay, we got a Stockman. Produced by Camillus. And it's complete. It's got one scale on it, but I might be able to replace the other one. That will definitely clean up well. Next, a Sharp stainless and China lockback. And this one, that's another Winchester. That one I might just give to my dad. That one looks like it was part of a collector's tin. Okay, that one. Alright, next a Baby Wood Imperial. An overall little classic. That one I'll probably just keep in my personal collection. Next, another Baby Jack Imperial. Oh, it's a Colonial, but same company. Next, two cheap generic Swiss knockoffs. Not even going to bother opening them because everyone's probably seen hundreds of these. I'll strip some parts out of them and then probably just give them away. Ah, a real Victorinox with a kitty cat on the back of it. Yep, Victorinox Switzerland. That one will go in my collection. And this one is it's a Browning knife. Yeah, it's made in China. I'll probably give that one to my dad too. He does collect knives with gun brands on them. Okay, getting into the last few. Okay. First is a Japan 2-blade. Not a bad looking knife. I might just end up keeping that one. Nice little Pakistan penknife. Not much to say about that one. Ah, a charade knife. This one's a trapper. It's actually not in bad shape. That one will definitely clean up well. The scales are intact, the springs are intact, the blades, and I would go 50% intact. That one I'll definitely clean up. And then a camp knife. This one is a Imperial. That one will definitely clean up nice. Alright, getting into the last few. And I'm saving the biggest for last. This is a L.A. Canon Tools. Nice little razor knife. That one I'll definitely clean up and keep. I love these little designs. Snappy. Next, No Name. I can't make out the brand. Looks like a little Colonial. That or an Imperial. Next, a little pocket knife. A brand on it. There we go. I can't make out the name, but I can recognize the word Germany. So that one will definitely be worth cleaning up. And then a brand new little baby Pakistan. And last but not least, I saved the best for last. A large hawkbill. Check how enormous that thing is. And it says Hawaii. It's got a nice bird on the side of it. And this one is made in Japan. It actually doesn't feel that bad quality. And I like how large it is. I mean, see, things like literally a karambit. That will definitely go in my collection. Thank you very much, JR. Overall, thank you very much, JR, for all the knives. I will definitely make use out of those. I'll get these cleaned up and shipped out to you. And I look forward to doing these 119s for you. I mean, this 120 for you. And thanks very much for adding this one to my collection. So I hope you guys enjoy. I guess the next thing I'll do is show off the next knives for the next unboxing. So, here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. Here's number 5. And here's number 6. Vote down below which one you want for the next unboxing. And y'all make sure to give my friend JR a lot of love in the comments, because he's a good friend of mine. And I hope you enjoy. And as always, stay sharp and keep collecting.